How to recover deleted stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. After that, in this How You Use Instagram section, go to Your Activity. Then, in this Removed and Archived Content section, tap on Recently Deleted. And all your posts and your stories will appear over here. And in order to restore them, click on the picture or the story, and there you will see an option of restore as well. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.